Hello, welcome once again to my channel. I'm Yoku Abe, and if today's your first time to my channel, remember to like, share, subscribe, and you won't regret it. So, without wasting much time, today we're going to be talking about how to edit or you know, how to make a circle shaped mask in Final Cut Pro. So, without wasting much time, let's jump right in. In these videos I wanna these two will be my background, and I want to put this as my I want to mask this on top as me narrating a voiceover. So with this, all I need to do is put the image you want to edit or crop or mask, put on top of your background video, which I have here. So what we do is we go to generator, which is located here. So we have the title and then the generator. So these are the places where you have your plugins and other things. So go to your generator plugins. You go to your generator plugins. It looks like my system is quite slow. Okay. So here we don't go to title, we go to generator. So we have generator here. You go look for element. So we're going to look for element. So in element, we have here shape. We have here shape. So you click and drag shape and put it on top of the video you want to crop and let it be in front. So I want this time frame. So what I do is I select and make sure the circle is within the space you want to crop out or mask out. So I want to crop just my face. If it's too small or too big and you want to adjust, so what you do is you click here, we have transform. Make sure it is transform, because we have transform, crop, distort. So we're going to choose transform here. So I select my image. I want to transform this guy out. So I have here position. I want it to be on this space. So we have transform here. I can make it smaller or a little bit bigger just to have whatever shape I want it to be. So I want it this side. So what we do now is we go to, so here you can change the shape. You want to go to the publish parameters, which is here. You have here, you can change, you make it a circle, square, diamond, anything you want. Here you can choose whatever thing that suits you. So I want to use circle, so I select circle, and then I go to my composition. So here I have here, I select stencil alpha. You click on stencil alpha here, and so as you can see, we have black here. So here you can still shape the transformation button. You can choose the space you want. Okay, so I want it this way. I click done. So after doing that, what we do is we select the top masking frame, and then the bottom, which is the background, the video I maxed, and then I right click. So after selecting both, I right click, and you can press option G, or you right click and select new compound. So I will select new compound. So new compound, you can rename it any name you want, and you click on OK. So you see now After clicking on OK, the black spaces are all gone. So now I have this here as one video maxed out. So what do? I can shift move this to any place I want and resize it to any size I want. So let's see from the beginning. So you see, so there's a video playing. It's just like the newscast. I'm talking behind like a voiceover with my video down there, and then I can, if you want to, pause shift, you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can click on B, say the cut button. You can cut this if you want. You press A to select. So we have here, we have A to select, B blade for blade, zoom, we have hand. So after this, you can push it to this side, any place you want. You can choose anything you want. So here I can also prefer to change the position to maybe this side. So now watch this. So here, so any angle you want, you can put it there. So you see, so here I have it on the right, and here I shifted it to the left. So it is up to you. You can divide it into two and then change the position as many times as you want. So that's it for today's video. If you are new here, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can check out my other previous videos on how to repair or change your Mac OS without deleting data, how to make YouTube banners, so many things that you can check it out. If you like and you want to support, please remember to like and share and subscribe. Thank you, and wait for the next video, and I won't let you down. Over and out. Peace.